Welcome to the AI Copilot walkthrough series, where we go through the starter tasks with the Copilot we built using the AI Employee Kit. In this video, we are going to write a professional business plan. From the AI Copilot starter prompts page, we're just going to mentally notate the language model, which is ChatGPT-5 thinking, and then we'll click on the copy prompt button. And this will copy the prompt trigger. We'll go into our Copilot project. We'll make sure we have the right language model selected. So we're going to come in here and we'll change it to thinking. In the chat window, we'll right click and paste, pasting in the actual trigger, and we'll click on send. Now it's going to go through your brand identity worksheet, your brand information sheet, and it will write you a professional business plan. It will take a few minutes, but as you watch your window, you can see the different steps that it takes. To save you time, I'm going to skip forward until it finishes. Okay, it's been about 3 minutes and our Copilot is now writing out our business plan. Skipping forward, it took about an additional minute and 30 seconds or so for it to complete the business plan and go through all the benchmarks that has all the citations of the information that it used. In total, we've been able to create an entire business plan in under 7 minutes. If you come in, give it some more information specifically about your business, you can come through the entire business plan from the executive summary through the overview, market analysis, your pricing, everything. Make the changes you need to make. And when you're finished, you can simply click on download. And you can download it as a PDF document or a Microsoft Word document. So you can go through and actually edit it later. We'll download it as a Microsoft Word document. And now you have completely built an entire business plan in under 8 minutes. And I'm giving the time of the entire time it took me to record this video. Obviously, you'll see a shorter version of it, but that is how you write a business plan with an AI Copilot built with the AI Employee Kit. So build it right with Built by Pro. Check out the next video as we have our AI Copilot create a research target audience pain point report. Until then, get your copy of the AI Employee Kit at aiemployeekit.com. I'll see you there.